$1.10 used midday. Continuous in high definition.
Welcome back. With me now is Bob Schultheis with the University of Missouri Extension Office. Thanks for being here, Bob.
Yeah, John.
All right, and of course people are getting ready for winter, so they're chopping wood, they're using chainsaws, and we're going to talk all chainsaw safety today.
Right. We have about 40,000 people a year that we know show up in emergency rooms due to injuries.
That's an unbelievable amount.
And that's underreported. But whether leg injuries, face injuries, arms, hands, all from these chainsaws.
Okay, and you want to show me why we use protective gear.
Yes.
What is this?
This is a reaction test.
All right.
All right. I'm going to drop this, and you're going to try and catch it.
Okay.
And you cannot.
It's
Okay?
I can't do it.
Your reaction time is about a third to a half of a second.
So that's impossible.
That's impossible. Okay.
Well, not weird.
Now, in that amount of time, a chain is going to run over the bar about 20 feet in the time it took you to try and react to that.
Just in that short amount of time.
That short of time.
So
yeah.
this is exactly why you're going to want
This is why you need the protective gear.
Well, let's run through a few things of what you think is so important about
it. The biggest one would be the chainsaw chaps. What they're going to do at the saw, if you're wearing these, the saw is going to contact that fabric. It's going to explode, bind up in the saw, and kill the motor.
Okay.
And that will save your life right there.
So chaps, number one.
Helmet
and earmuffs?
And earmuffs. If you don't have the helmet or the face guard on there, you can always go with the earmuffs like this.
Okay.
And some sort of eye protection, debris out of
the old school action?
That will protect your ears, drop the decibels, because 30 minutes with a chainsaw without hearing protection and you will damage your ears.
Okay, so this is almost just as important.
Exactly. And then a good pair of gloves to protect your hands and also helps reduce some of the vibration that comes with it.
I also want to talk about, if you're don't go the extra mile. And, you want to talk about why it's so important for people to maybe call a professional, don't do it yourself. What would be a few things?
Well, if you get into a situation where you recognize you don't have the skills to do that, you shouldn't be attempting it. Or if you have a chainsaw bar that is not long enough to get reach through the tree, you shouldn't be attempting that. Call the professional. Or if the tree is dead or hollow or split, or it's hung up, something hung up in it, or you're in power lines or something like that, call a professional.
Right. Don't ever just attempt to try it. And if they want more information from you, where can they call?
They can call our phone number in Marshfield at 859-2044, or they can go on our website at extension.missouri, spelled out, .edu/Webster.
All right, Bob, thank you so much.
You're welcome, John.
We'll be right back.
If you have back pain, call the number on your screen now for relief. Whether you have minor or severe back pain, special conditions, or are even considering surgery, Cherry Health Center can help you get back to normal and stay that way. 3 medical professionals, medical doctors, chiropractors, and physical therapists.